Welcome back to the shop. This is not the beginning of this project. This is the second go around. We had what was a 25 inch snap-on Phillips screwdriver, and the Phillips was shot out on it, and anyway, it's going to be a flathead now, so we're going to take it along, clean this up a little bit. You can see that it's got quite a bit of rust on it, and I was unable to salvage the Phillips tip on it, so we're going to use Scoutcrafter's Phillips head hollow ground trick on the belt sander, and hopefully that works out well. There's a close-up now, and we'll try to give you a close-up when it's done. We're going to start by roughing out the flathead tip on here, and then we're going to take advantage of the curved section on top of here and try to give it that hollow ground. So I've got it roughed out now, but it doesn't have the hollow ground. It's more of a splitting wedge. I'm going to try to remove that wedge shape. So here we are, we've got the finished screwdriver. I just went ahead and buffed the handle up and took a little degreaser to it. That worked out pretty nicely. And there was some significant pitting in there. Again, a lot of screwdriver to show you here. But the end, I think that came out as well as I could have expected. I thought that was one of the, you constantly get great tips from Scoutcrafter, but that using the top of the sander really does a nice job. And for comparative purposes, it's really hard to see. But I've taken a relatively decent brand German screwdriver, the Fellow, for $20. These are really hard to beat. But it has that wedge shape. Hopefully you can see. It's not dramatic, that's for sure. But it's comparable in terms of the grind on that. And I've messed up a lot of screwdrivers trying to learn how to do this. But it wasn't, if I could do it, anybody could do it. And like I showed you before, it fits pretty nicely, just a slotted screwdriver, so not too complicated. But again, it's salvaged this tool, and to have a long screwdriver like this, I can't think of too many times in my life when I've needed a 2 foot long screwdriver. But occasionally, if you had to reach in and tune some deep down carburetor somewhere, I imagine this would be handy. Other than that, that's it. So I just want to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I hope you enjoyed my content. Have a good night.